Hello, welcome back. I am making some stress dough today. So that is cornstarch and hair conditioner, and that's it. I'm going to be making strawberry and coconut, and basically I think it's supposed to be like a cup of starch and a half a cup of conditioner. I'm just going to mix until it's a good consistency, kind of like, you know, mixing noodles or something. It's supposed to turn out really nice and soft.
They stick a bit.
Does it need more cornstarch?
Yeah. Oh my god, it smells so good though. I will take your entire stock.
I think that in the video that I saw, they didn't accurately portray
How messy it is.
because it was just like mix, 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 and then they did this, and it was so smooth. Alright, so this was my stress dough. This is the strawberry. The dough is okay, but it kind of got stuck in there. This is the coconut. We got a lot better with the second try. It's very satisfying. It smells really good.
Makes your hands soft.
Makes your hands soft, and it was very easy, but a mess. But
So,
I still
do it your own risk.
Yeah. But I like it. I would do it again. And I'll probably have to because my daughter wants them to.
Thanks.
Alright, thanks for hanging out. I had fun with this one.
If you have any suggestions for other flavors we should try, leave them in the comments.
Yes, other flavors.
Oh, yeah.